2019 Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, navigation, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls. Stop by the showroom for a test drive.